Elevate your hydration with QELBY Somatid Ceramic Balls. These patented ceramic balls are marble-sized powerhouses, and once you add them to your water, they transform it into structured, easy water. Why is that important? Because easy water or exclusion zone water boosts cellular wellness. Simply add to your glass or stainless steel bottle for bioavailable, oxygen-rich water that enhances detox, energy, and vitality. So, how do they work? These ceramics emit far infrared and UV rays, converting H2O into negatively charged, easy water with free electrons for biological reactions, supported by continuous oxygen production. What are the benefits? Improves hydration, detoxification, energy levels, and cellular function. And the best part? They never need replacing. SomaVibe Health, your trusted U.S. supplier, sources authentic QELBY balls directly from South Korea. Enjoy fast, insured shipping with tracking. Visit somavibehealth.com to purchase today and start hydrating at the cellular level.